I've enjoyed my time in this ministry. Now the people of Turkana are waiting for me because my next assignment is going to run for the seat in Turkana, the seat of governor in Turkana. You know, Turkana, with all the problems it's facing, with you people in the media always looking at our poverty there, lack of water, insecurity, illiteracy rate, which is so high. With over 12 billion shillings, with the support from the donors, with another 4 billion, amounting to about 16 billion shillings being received in Turkana. That is a matter that has actually fired me completely to say there's need for a leader in Turkana.